Oh, y'all, look how cute it is. Yeah. I'm filming. That girl did her thing. To the left. You see them? They're so cute. What's up, YouTube? It's your girl officially Ariee, and we back at it again with another video. So as y'all remember by the title, your girl is gonna get real cute on y'all. I'm gonna go get my hair done, my nails done, my eyebrows, my lashes, my toes, all that. Period. Before we get into this video, go ahead and hit the subscribe button so y'all can subscribe to the girl channel. Hit the thumbs up. Make sure you comment and share on this video. We just got to the nail salon. I'm gonna try this new nail salon called Paris Nails. I ain't never been here before. JP. Yeah. I'm filming. Y'all won't believe. Let me tell y'all. Okay, so first of all, one, they wouldn't let me record at all. They would not let me record inside the nail place. So I looked at them and I'm just like,
what? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
you won't let me record, like. So I'm like, okay, all right, whatever, boom. Then I told her I get square nails, right? I always get my nails done, and I always tell them, don't do my nails skinny. I like them wide, like nice and square. Like, I'm gonna pop up a picture of my last nail set that I had right here, so y'all can see what I'm talking about. You see how that's wide? This lady, she put on my nails. I'm looking, and I'm looking at one hand, and I'm like, okay, she did one hand so far, boom, it's wide. Like, okay, good, I like this, so I like it. Y'all, I get my other hand, the hand is little as hell. How you do one hand wide, other one little? And then on top of that, this nail right here was going the other way.
Oh, hell no!
I kid y'all not, it was slanted. I'm telling the lady, look at my nail, like it's going the other way. Like, that bit is leaning to the right. She like, what are you talking about? What are you talking about? What are you talking about? Then I'm telling her, she finally see it. She's like, okay, I filed more for you. I'm like, file? It needs to be redone. That bitch is leaning. That bitch is going to the right. Like, and on top of that, you did this hand little. Boom, I'm getting aggravated because, like, I don't play with my nails. So, boom, I'm done with that. I'm like, you can't do it right, I'm going to leave. Now I'm at Huey Magoo's to make my day better because I told y'all I was so hungry. Huey Magoo's is packed, but I'll wait for Huey Magoo's. I'm hungry. Okay, y'all, so now we sit in the parking lot. I got my Huey Magoo's. I'm gonna show y'all. Y'all see it? With my sauce, Huey Magoo's sauce. She got her food. You want some fries? Hell no.
Got him!
And I got my Arnold Palmer. Arnold Palmer is so good, y'all.
White chalk, petty to you.
Anyways, I'm gonna grub on this, y'all. I got a headache from screaming and yelling, so I'm gonna eat this off camera. But it's day 2, y'all, of the vlog, and I'm getting ready for my hair appointment. I ain't show y'all my toes. Look, you see my toes? You see my little fingers? I got them. But yeah. Now, let me show y'all my scrunchies I got. I got a whole bunch of scrunchies. I'm gonna do some videos with these. I can't wait to wear these. Give me very much to my vibe. But I'm gonna hit y'all up. So my hair is finished and that girl did her thing. I'm gonna go ahead and play Instagram, all that down below. It's on the screen too. She did her thing. I love my hair. I love my hair. I feel it looks so good. I'm feeling myself very much, but I'm at Wendy's right now. I'm gonna tell y'all when I get to the house so y'all can really see my hair.
Mike.
Okay, y'all, so it's the next day and I'm about to get ready to go to the nail salon to go ahead and get my nails, my eyebrows, and lashes done. This is my hair. It's so cute. She did her thing, y'all. Do y'all see these knotless? And look at the length. You see them? They're so cute. But I'm gonna just go ahead and go over the baby hairs just really quick. And when I get these lashes done, my nails done, everything, it's just gonna top it off. I'm gonna be a bad bitch. Alright, y'all, so I done did my edges. Now I'm about to slide to the nail salon. And then I'll just vlog when I get there. Alright, y'all, so this is the nail salon that I'm just going to.
I know I'm better than your other hoes, but I still don't pay. You know I teaching. Gotta let you see this. What
So
you
I'm
gonna
gonna go
miss?
ahead and get my
You a
brows on.
bum, you a dog.
And I don't want the thing just shaped up. It's just clean, yeah.
It's cool. I kinda had a crush on you. You not moving on, dipping with my other boo. You out of bread? We ain't finished yet. 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 Give me, 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 give me,
So I got my nails did. You'll see. They're so cute. I gotta show y'all in better lighting. my nail salon, TD Nails 3, pop they thing. As always, and y'all know my toes was done by that regular ass nail salon, Paris Nails. Alright y'all, so that is the end of this video. If you guys like these vlogs, nail vlogs and stuff, just go ahead and keep commenting yes, and make sure you comment some video ideas for me to do as well. But don't forget to subscribe to the girl channel and share, and I'll see y'all in my next video.